Hello, good morning to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, I'll show you how you can create a Google file link. That file may be a Google document or Google Slides or a Google Drive link. See here, I opened three tabs and this is Google Drive and this tab is Google Slides. Okay, and in the first tab, I opened this Google Docs. Whatever it may be, you can create a link very easily. So I'll show you. Yeah, for example, you have created some content on a Google document. See, this is just like Microsoft Docs. This is Google Docs online. So you created a document. The first thing you'll see is you'll try to save the file. Yeah, and here you can observe under the file options there are many options, and 1 2 3 4 there is an option called share. Here you need to click on share. So when you click on share, it asks to save the file, so you can give any name. For now in this tutorial I'll just give as important. Yeah, now it has been saved. At the right top corner also you'll find a link called share. Click on that and see here there is an option to generate a link. When you click on share, again click on share here. Okay, there may be some problem. Yeah, I'll be clicking on this again. Click on share. By default for you it will be something like restricted access, so you need to click on the drop down and choose as anyone with the link. This means anyone who has the link will get to access this particular Google Docs link. So I'll be just pasting on the notepad so that you can see. So likewise you can open Google Drive. Remember this Google Drive. For a single file, if you want to copy the link or create the link, click on the three dots and click on share and click on copy link. And one important thing is, if it is in restricted access, even though if someone has the link, they won't be able to access this particular Google file. So anyone with the link only works. If not, what you can do is you need to specify their email ID at the top. I'll show you once it is loaded. I'll show you. See, if it is restricted, then at the address bar, here you need to specify that particular email address. Then even though if it is restricted, you can use that link. So it is better to give any one link. For security purpose, you can specify separate emails. The same goes with Google Slides. And thanks for watching. Have a nice day.